Meow.
Hello, this is Craig from Captain America Projects, and today we're gonna build a little fire pit out of cinder blocks. So come with me and we'll follow the steps, and Sparky will be along for the ride too. Here we go. First off, what I'm doing is we had a old fire pit. It was pretty small, just with these blocks that you see here. I've moved them aside, and the first thing I'm gonna do is clear out all this ash. So let's go ahead and scoop up the ash and get rid of it. Okay, I got most of the ash up. What we're going to do next is just kind of loosen up the soil, just so you can get a nice flat lay on the blocks. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of loosen it up a little bit, and just kind of try to flatten it out so you have a pretty flat surface that you're working with. Next, you want to kind of figure out your pattern. So I've got what I did is I've got 6 blocks here, so I got a little hexagon going on, sort of. And then I'm going to go 1 more row high. Okay, so what I did next is I put a second row. I'm going to go 2 rows of these cinder blocks high before adding the final touch on top. So I think this looks pretty nice, and it's nice and deep, so I can get a pretty good fire going there. Okay, next what I did after I got 2 layers of these is I put 1 layer of bricks over the top to just cover the holes of the cinder block, because the holes kind of look ugly. So this gives it a nice even look. I think it looks very pretty. Okay, so once I got my layer of bricks on top of the cinder blocks, then I used these decorative curved blocks. This was my fire pit previously, it was just these, and then I put these around the top to give it a nice round look. Let's have a look at that. So there you have it. There's a nice fire pit for the summer, and thanks to the guy on Craigslist that gave me the free cinder blocks. And anyway, I think we're going to enjoy this summer. I hope you like it. It's about the easiest fire pit I can think of making, and I think it looks pretty nice. So here we are with the finished product, and I wanted to point out one last thing. I turned one of the cinder blocks on its side, this one here. That way I can use a stick to light the fire through there. Or also it gives it a little airflow. Airflow, keeps your fire going nice. So anyway, I'm real happy with how it turned out. I had plenty of extra cinder blocks, so I made this fun little bench over here. Just 4 cinder blocks and a board. That's a really easy thing to make, and it looks nice next to the fire. All right, so we're all done. So the only thing that remains is to fire it up and see how it looks. I don't recommend doing this at home, but if you add a little lighter fluid, it always helps get things going a little quicker. Very nice. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, and if you have any ideas how I could have made it better, or if you've done one of your own that you like, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.